Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cool kitchen gadgets for simplifying cooking that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Kubota 6-in-1 multifunctional cooking gadget. This compact, vibrant red kitchen tool is designed to do it all. Separating eggs, cooking, draining, mashing, and even grating. Made of durable nylon, it's heat-resistant up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can safely use it in hot pans or boiling liquids. The standout feature here is its versatility. It combines several essential kitchen tools into one, saving you both time and storage space. When it comes to design, the Kubota scores points for its lightweight, ergonomic build and compact size. At just 1.44 ounces and small enough to store in a drawer, this gadget is perfect for small kitchens or even camping trips. However, the nylon material, while heat-resistant, doesn't feel as sturdy as some other options, and it may not be up to the task for heavy-duty use. Performance-wise, it does the job well for quick tasks, but it's not particularly specialized, which could leave you wanting a more focused tool for certain tasks. The Kubota is an affordable, space-saving option for those who want a catch-all kitchen tool, but it's best suited for light or occasional use. While the multifunctionality is a plus, it may not replace high-quality, single-purpose gadgets in your kitchen. Pros include its versatility, compact design, and dishwasher-safe convenience. Cons? It's not as durable as some might like, and its performance can be a bit basic for more demanding tasks. At number 4, we have the Soapvine Meat Chopper, which doubles as a hamburger chopper and potato masher. This multifunctional kitchen tool is made from heat-resistant nylon, ensuring it's safe to use with non-stick cookware. Its angle blades are designed to break up ground meat effortlessly, while also being versatile enough for mashing potatoes or mixing ingredients. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a simple, no-frills tool to handle a variety of cooking tasks. In terms of design, the Soapvine features an ergonomic handle that makes it easy to grip and use, even for extended periods. The angle blades are highly effective at scraping the sides of bowls or pans, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Performance-wise, this tool shines when breaking up ground beef or turkey, but it's not quite as effective for mashing firmer vegetables like sweet potatoes. Additionally, while it's dishwasher safe, food particles can sometimes get stuck in the blade crevices, requiring extra cleaning effort. The Soapvine Meat Chopper is a budget-friendly option for anyone looking to simplify their meal prep. It's particularly useful for those who cook a lot of ground meats or mashed dishes. Pros include its heat resistance, ergonomic design, and multifunctionality. However, its nylon construction might not appeal to those who prefer more heavy-duty tools, and the cleaning process could be a bit easier. Taking the number 3 spot is the Jofuyu 2025 upgraded herb scissors. These scissors feature 5 sharp stainless steel blades, making them a dream tool for cutting fresh herbs like basil, parsley, and cilantro. The ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfort during use, and the included cleaning comb makes it easy to remove any herb residue stuck between the blades. This is a must-have tool for anyone who loves cooking with fresh herbs. Design-wise, the Jofuyu scissors feel sturdy and well-made, with a polished finish that resists rust over time. The 5-blade design allows for quick, even cuts, saving time compared to using a knife. In terms of performance, these scissors excel at their intended purpose, delivering consistent results every time. However, they are less versatile than some of the other gadgets on this list and are best suited for herb preparation rather than general kitchen tasks. The Jofuyu herb scissors are an excellent choice for home cooks who frequently use fresh herbs. They're efficient, easy to clean, and come with thoughtful extras like the protective cover. While they lack multifunctionality, their specialized design makes them a valuable addition to any kitchen. Pros include their sharp blades, ergonomic handle, and ease of cleaning. On the downside, they're somewhat limited in scope and require a bit of care to avoid dulling the blades. Coming in at number 2 is the Loikuko Cute Egg Separator by AMZ Wish. This ceramic gadget is as functional as it is adorable, featuring a hand-painted chicken design that vomits the egg white when you crack an egg into it. It's a whimsical addition to any kitchen, sure to bring a smile to your face while simplifying the sometimes tricky process of separating eggs. Beyond its charm, it's made of durable ceramic with a smooth interior that's easy to clean. The design of this egg separator is its biggest selling point. The vomiting chicken is not only amusing, but also practical, as the egg whites flow cleanly through the opening. It's dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free, and it's versatile enough to be used in microwaves and ovens. Performance-wise, it's highly effective at separating yolks without any mess or fuss. However, its small size means it's best suited for one egg at a time, which might be inconvenient for larger recipes. The Loy Cuco egg separator is perfect for bakers or anyone who separates eggs frequently. It's a fun gift idea that combines humor with utility. Pros include its unique design, ease of cleaning, and effectiveness. Cons? Its single egg capacity may slow you down if you need to separate multiple eggs. Finally, at number 1, we have the Pysol Kitchen Unique Gadget Set. This 6-piece set includes a cheese grater, garlic ginger grinder, pizza cutter, bottle opener, vegetable peeler, and herb stripper, all in a space-saving, stackable design. Made of 430 stainless steel and ABS plastic, these tools are durable yet lightweight, making them comfortable to use. Each tool is dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup after every use. The standout feature of the Pysol set is its clever stackable design, which keeps all 6 tools neatly organized and easy to store. Whether you're grating cheese, peeling vegetables, or slicing pizza, these tools perform their tasks efficiently, with sharp blades and ergonomic handles that enhance control. The set is also packaged in an elegant box, making it a great gift option. However, the tools are on the smaller side, which might make them less suitable for large-scale cooking. The Pysol Kitchen Unique Gadget Set is ideal for anyone looking to maximize functionality while saving space. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or as a thoughtful gift for a home chef. Pros include its versatility, compact design, and quality materials. The only drawback is that the tools might feel too small for those with larger hands or bigger cooking needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.